here not for the simple fact that we're just down here catching hell. Some of you brothers and sisters is waking up now. You have agreed to do this millennia ago. You see, and you are only doing something you agreed to do a long time ago. So therefore, that is the reason why you have been chosen to come open and open up now, for the simple fact you agreed to be the one that's going to tell your brothers and sisters where to go when the whole shit breaks down. You see what I'm saying? When the other dimension just goes. So therefore, all you are doing is doing what you agreed to do years ago. You see, what you agreed to do years ago. You see, so
facts, y'all. As y'all just heard, that was Brother Bobby Hemmitt up there giving the real deal spiel. Hold on, y'all. Let me do something.
Yeah, that's right. We're promoting China.
All right, y'all. I had to pause that little clip. But anyway, yeah, y'all, that was Bobby Hemmitt. And as y'all heard him saying, some of us deliberately came here for a job. We came here to remind the other sleeping giants what was happening, what was going on in this matrix, because a lot of us have truly forgotten what's really happening and what's going on. So a lot of us came here specifically to awaken our people. Now, this is why we are the chosen ones. Being a chosen one is not something that, anybody can just be. You have to be of non-ether descent, number one. So for a majority of us that are awakening now, we've been knowing before we came here that it was going to be some BS. But we also understood that we was going to get through it. This is why we set up a timer within ourselves to go off. It's like an alarm clock. This is why the DNA, aka the DEA, this is why so many of us are awakening now, because we understood that if we continue to just allow our people to sleep, allow our people to not remember who they truly was, then that is throwing our whole galactic system off balance. I understand that some of our people, they refuse to wake up. But I also have come to the conclusion that those ones that are deliberately not waking up, those are the tricksters. Those are the NPCs. Those are the creations that this reptilian beast has been deceiving us with by making creations that look like us. This is why a lot of so-called black people are still asleep, because a lot of so-called black people are AI sentient programs, meaning they look like us, talk like us, walk like us, but they are not real people. So being a chosen one, this is something that we agreed to. We understood that we was coming down to a lower vibrational state, a lower vibrational realm, but we was cool with that. We knew that we was going to have to go through some bullshit. And for a lot of us, when we came down here, we also got trapped again. This is why we have kept reincarnating back and back, because I'm telling y'all, this beast is very slick. So even though we knew originally while we came down here, a lot of the so-called chosen ones have also gotten tricked again. So now it's just time for us to fully awaken, y'all. Anyway, let me go ahead and get out of here. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Till the next time, this y'all brother Goddess. I'm out. Peace.